we were doing tenses, and in tenses I talked about the simple past tense, and after that I discussed with you the past continuous tense. Okay, in the same series today I am going to move ahead, and in this video lecture I am going to cover the next topic related with the tense. Okay, and that is future tense. Fine. So as you all know that tense is divided into three parts. Okay, present tense, past tense and future tense. Fine. Now moving further, we are having, I even talked about that the tense, that means present tense, past tense and future tense is further divided into four categories. Fine. Like I talked about in the previous video I talked about that past tense is divided into four categories, like simple past, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and after that past perfect continuous tense. Okay, and I even told you that future tense is further divided into four categories just like past tense. Fine. So that means the thing is that simple future tense. Okay, after that we are having future continuous tense, then future perfect tense, then we are having future perfect continuous tense. Fine. So in the same series today we are going to discuss, that means I am going to discuss about future tense and the rules regarding that and how to identify the things. Fine. So let's get started with the things. So basically when we are talking about future tense, future means you can say the time which is about to come. Okay, suppose right now the time is might be 11:30, so 11:35 will be what? That will be considered as a future tense. Fine. That means the thing which is about to come. Fine. Like future tense talk about things that are going to happen or will happen in the future. That means the upcoming event, whether it is related with anything. So the things which are about to come we consider it as a what? As a future tense. So whenever we are dealing with future tense, we have to keep something in our mind. Okay, the thing is that we have to, just like that I talked about the rules related with that simple past tense, then continuous tense. Okay, that I talked about the rules, and the same thing we are having here. So the thing that we have to use over here is that the use of will and going to. So we are having two you can say words that we have to use while indicating the future tense. Fine. The first thing is that we have to use you can say going to and will. Both going to and will are used for indicating that whenever we are talking about the future tense we have to use these two words. Okay, that means I am not saying that the further bifurcation, but whenever generally when we are dealing with future tense we have to talk about we have to use these two words. Okay, that means going to and will. Fine. So I am going to tell you can say a trick with the help of which you can easily understand that where you have to use will and where you have to use going to. So let's get started with the things that you are having. So I am going to discuss the question number K of your Living English book, and it is on page number 51. Fine. So let's get started with the thing. So the question is that Sabha, Jaspreet, Srinath and Ritu are discussing their plans for summer vacation. Fill in the blanks with will or going to. That means we are talking about the future tense, and for referring future tense they have given us that we have to use either will or either going to. So the thing that you have to keep in your mind that whenever we have to use you can say going to, there must be a word like are just before when we are about to use going to. Suppose I'll tell you with the help of example later on. Okay, that means like they are. So the R word is that the R word is going to act like you can say indication for you that you have to use going to. Fine. And apart from that, for using will, so that you have to use. So whenever we have to use, so let's discuss the questions related with the future tense. Okay, we have to use the options. Okay, we are having two options, going to and will. This we have to use while dealing with the questions. Okay, so let's get started with the things. So as I told you that I am going to discuss the things which is on page number 58 of your Living English book. Fine. So let's get started with the things. So the first question is that Sabha, I am so excited. We are dash visit Lothal in Gujarat. So this is the question. Now the question is that what I am going to use. Am I going to use will or am I going to use going to? So as I told you, what trick I told you, that whenever we are having are, okay, and after that if we are having dash, especially talking about the future tense, okay. So in that case what you have to do, you have to use going to. See, now read the sentence. Sabha, I am so excited, we are going to. That means in future. We are, that means whenever we are having our word, just you can say before the blank, whenever we are referring to future tense, so in that case we have to use going to. So Sabha, I am so excited, we are going to visit Lothal in Gujarat. Fine. I hope this is clear to you. Now talking about the next question that we are having, Jaspreet, Papa said that we dash go for a mountain track in Manali. So what rule I told you related with the thing, that if we are having are, okay, and then dash, then what we have to use, we have to use going to. But if we don't have something like that, then in that case we have to use will, right? That means we will, okay. So Papa, Jaspreet, Papa said that we will go for a mountain track in Manali. So simple. Only the thing is that you have to understand the concept, that how to use which word in which case. Fine. Now moving to the next question that we are having, Srinath, we are dash spend our holidays with our grandparents. Again we are having are, then after that dash, referring to the future. So we are, that means what will come, we are going to. So we are going to spend our holidays with our grandparents. Okay. So I hope everything is getting clearer in your mind. Okay. Now next question. Ritu, we are dash have an exciting time with our cousins. So we are, again are is there, and after that we are having blank space. That means we are going to. This is, I am telling you a trick with the help of which you can easily identify the things. Fine. So we are going to have an exciting time with our cousins. Fine. Now the next thing that we are having, okay, see, next question. Sabha, we dash stay at hotel in Lothal. Sabha, we, what will come? We will, okay, will come. We will stay at a hotel in Lothal. I am going dash, I am going will not come, okay, I am going to. See, sometimes you have to check out the sentence also, because according to the sentence we have to do a little bit modification also. So here I am not going to write I am will, no, that will be wrong. I am going to, okay, I am going to swim in the pool every day, okay, because you know we are having different types of sentence. So according to that we have to do a little bit modification each and every time. Fine. So the answer will be Sabha, we will stay at hotel Lothal. So hotel in Lothal. I am going to swim in the pool every day. Fine. Now next thing that we are having, Jaspreet, we dash hike up Rohtang Pass. Jaspreet, we, again we are having we, but we don't have our option here. So what we have to write, we are going to write we will. So we will hike up for Rohtang Pass. Fine. Now moving to the next question that we are having, Srinath, my grandparents cook such yummy food that I am sure I dash eat a lot. So now see, basically here either you can use will or either you can use going to. Both the cases will be applicable, but according to question I am using will. I will eat a lot, okay, that means I am talking about that I am going to, that means I will be okay, no issue, no doubt, no this will not get any problem. So you can use it I will. Fine. Now next thing, Ritu, we are dash have singing session with our cousins. So we are, again are is here, so that it indicates that what I have to use, I have to use going to. So we are going to have singing session with our cousins. See how easily we can solve the question related with future tense. Very easily you can solve it. Only the thing that you have to keep in your mind, that the trick, okay, that I told you. Fine. So one more time I am going to read the whole answer. Okay, so it is a conversation between different persons. So first conversation is between Sabah, okay. And Sabah, I am so excited. We are going to visit Lothal in Gujarat. Fine. Next, Jaspreet, Papa said that we will go for a mountain trek in Manali. Next question, Srinath, we are going to spend our holidays with our grandparents. That means this sentence is said by whom? By Srinath. Okay. Next question that we are having, Ritu, we are going to have an exciting time with our cousins. Fine. Okay. The next thing that we are having, Sabah, we will stay at a hotel in Lothal. I am going to swim in the pool every day. Now, Jaspreet, we will hike up at Rohtang Pass. Fine. Next, Jaspreet, we will, okay, this I have, okay, no issue. We will hike up to Rohtang Pass. Fine. Next, Srinath, my grandparents cook such yummy food that I am sure I will eat a lot. Next, Ritu, we are going to have singing session with our cousins. Okay, so like this you can use very easily that where you have to use will and where you have to use going to. So only you have to understand the case. Okay, we are having 2 more questions. I am going to discuss 2 or 3 questions so that everything will get clear in your mind. So like see, Mahila and Siraj are going to visit, okay, Mumbai next week. Again we are having R. So R is the indication that what we have to use? We have to use going to. See, Mahila and Siraj are going to visit Mumbai next week. Next, Ritvik is dash. Now what to do with is? Again, I cannot write Ritvik is will. No, the answer will be wrong. Ritvik is going to have ice cream for dessert. Okay, that means see, there we are having, sometimes what happen, we have to change the things according to the you can say situation. Fine. So the thing is that Ritvik is going to play basketball. Sorry, I have taken, sorry, wait. Okay, yeah, correct. Ritvik is going to play basketball in the evening. Fine. Now, next question. I am, now with I am will, I will not write. No, not at all. For that we have to use I am going to. Fine. So I am going to have ice cream for dessert. Next thing, Linda will help to her aunt's letter tomorrow. So here is the name. So with name you can easily use will. Okay, that's not an issue. Fine. So I hope I have taken so many questions and I tried to make you understand that, made you understand that how to deal with the things related with the future. Okay, only the thing that you have to keep it in your mind that if we are having our word, okay, just before the blank, so with that what you have to use going to. Okay, but if you don't have something like that, you have to use will. Okay, and with I am, so what you have to do, I am going to. Okay, if it is like I, so with I going to will not be the correct answer. I am going to is okay, but if you are having only one word I, so in that case you have to use I will. Okay, fine. I hope you understood the concept of future tense. Okay, referring to the future, the time. Please go through it. Okay, it is on page number 51 and try to understand the concept and try to think that how to use the things, because we have to change the things according to the situation, according to the question. So I'll stop here. I hope you will be able to understand this concept. Thank you so much. Please go through the things thoroughly. Thank you.